Validate the expression and enter in polar form. Okay. Well, I could convert this to polar form first and square it, because squaring is super easy when you're doing it in polar form, because you just had to bring it into the exponential and square the front of it. But we'll just do it like this. Let's just square it up. Let's make it harder for ourselves. So what do we got here? We're going to do FOIL, or we could do it the old-fashioned way here. 4 minus I, and we take this thing and multiply it in 2 times, and we do it again. But we'll just use FOIL. So the first is going to be 16, and then we're going to have first outer, so it's going to be minus 4i, minus 4i, and then we have minus minus is plus I squared, right? And that guy right there is going to be negative 1. So at the end of the day, we're going to be left with, that's negative 1 with the 16 is going to be 15. So it's going to be 15 minus 8i. Okay, perfect. Let's convert that to polar form. So we got, what's that, 15. 15's over here, and we have minus 8. So let's put half that there. Minus 8. And there it is. Okay, so there's our theta. We'll keep on doing this one. Negative theta. There's our r. So theta is going to be equal to opposite, which is going to be 8 over 15. Opposite over adjacent. And r is going to be equal to the square root of minus 8 squared plus 15 squared. Gives us our value. So what do we at here? So we got tan inverse, bracket open, 8 divided by 15, bracket close, equals, is that value right there, 0.4, 4.9, let's call it 4.9. And then this guy here is going to be 8 squared plus 15 squared equals square root answer. It's going to be 17 on the button. Wow, that's a nice one. Look at that. That's awesome, eh? That was one of those perfect triangles, or what do they call it? Look at that. Beauty. So 17. Let's put that negative sign right there. Just remind myself that it is negative, and now we are ready to write this down. So it's 17 on the button, e to the negative 0.49i.